destination. And here is your host, Esther J. Thomas.
My name is Barry Simon, and you're tuned to Island Rhythms. Keep it locked.
Welcome back to more Island Rhythms. I'm your girl, Diva J, with friend to the show, Khago. That's right. We're on set at his new music video. I'm excited. You know, we've been waiting for this, Khago, and we're excited.
Mad, me too. True feelings, you know. For girls, them, you know. Coming straight from art, you know. Yeah, man.
Yes. Now, you wrote this song, or you had some assistance?
No, you know, we don't really go write song with assistance. We just sing where come from our mind, you know. You understand? We just going at it 20-15 minutes, and I hit that, you know.
Now, you've been in the game for a while. You've been doing your thing, a lot of collaborations. You know, there's ups, there's downs. Tell me where you're at right now, mentally, in your mind. How does it feel to be here on the set of your new video?
It's like coming like me just I get out right now, because like I'm comfortable in my mind right now more than when me just get out 2011. You see me? I just know it's a couple of years that you see me, and something like it's a decade. You understand? So right now, I'm at a place right now where I'm comfortable. Better music, better approach to nonsense, better approach to the business. You understand? So we just
sort of like
the right way.
Rebranding of Khago.
You know, we just continue the version of Khago. You see me? Like, you can't start over. You just have to continue.
You gotta keep going.
Yeah, man. With proper people around you, you have to just move to a next level, you know?
Yes. Well, we're honored to be here with you today. We can't wait for the new video. And of course, you know when this video comes out, True Feelings, Island Rhythms is going to be the first to debut it. Of course, you know, we got love for Khago. We've been in this game with Khago from day one, so we're happy to see him continuing on the path that he's continuing. We want you guys to stay in touch, find out what's going on with him. If you haven't followed him yet on Instagram, be sure you do, because my man holds it down. You know, he got a lot of cool pictures, a lot of dope outfits.
You don't know real Khago. Instagram, IG. Yeah, so I say, me sing something for you ladies them, yeah, man. True feelings, girl. Girl, me pray say the new man where you find break your heart 10 times a day. And me pray say the go a work on Friday, come home and him don't get pay. And me pray say him touch off all of your friends, them and your mother, they pandily away. And me pray say your daddy don't like him, and the two of them fight every day, cause of feelings, true feelings, you got me a carrier. P feelings, true feelings, girl. Right now, me pray say him car crash panic, cause we and your bills them him can't pay. And me pray say the landlord dash you out, and in my yard you try come stay. And me pray say your little son do good in a school, cause him know say me love him same way. And me pray say you go a church Sunday, and your dirty life are the topic of the day. A girl feelings, true feelings. Gosh man, Khago, true feelings for that thing there. So I say, brand new, fresh, 2015. Both them cloud up.
Yes, we're loud with Khago. We're staying up. It's Island Rhythms. Stick and stay. I'm your girl, Diva J. We'll be right back while I get into my true feelings with Khago.
Answer me prayer, girl. Answer me prayer, girl. Can I get it? Me pray say the new man where you find break your heart 10 times a day. And me pray say the brother go a work on Friday, come home and him don't get paid. And me pray say him touch out all of your friends, them and your mother, they bandily away. And me pray say your daddy don't like you, and the two of them fight every day. True feelings, true feelings. True feelings, true feelings. True feelings. said the landlord put you out, and at my place you try come stay. I'm a pray say your little son do good in a school, cause he knows say me love him same way. I'm a pray say you go a church Sunday, and your dirty life at the topic of the day. True feelings, true feelings. True feelings, true feelings. Yeah. True feelings, true feelings. You got me a carrier. True feelings, true feelings. Yeah, you say you're not living, boy, you live. You say you're not leaving, boy, you did. You want me to wish you the best. Me can't wish you the best, I wish you the worst, yeah. Hope you listen to my verse and call your curse. True feelings, true feelings for you. Feeling, true feelings. Oh, true feelings, girl, you know it's true. Thing that I'm saying. True feeling, got me a carrier like a baggage. Oh yeah, it's true. You're looking at my eye when we sleep. I bring up things from last year. Oh, I swear, yeah, I was a good friend. Carry true feelings. Me hope saying pop out that. Anything where you say me do. Hope saying do you 10 times.
Then sir, video short. Yeah man, think.
Thank you for watching Island Rhythms with your host, Esther J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Rhythms.